hanging with Misty today. Oh my God. I have something really exciting to unveil. I ordered a custom pink ATV. In America, I think they call them quads, so ATV/quad, and it's custom pink. It's over here. The delivery guy just dropped it off, and oh my God, I'm so sorry. I'm so excited. I can't wait any longer. Can I give it a hug? Oh my God. Oh my God. I'm gonna do this. Are we ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh, she even came with the stick. She's glorious. Oh my God. Oh my God, she's beautiful. The guy at the shop laughed so hard when I ordered a custom pink one, and he said he's never had anybody order a custom pink quad. So I'm too excited. I have to do this. Oh my God, I feel like an adult right now. I should take a training how to turn these on, but I think I got this. Okay, I think I read. Okay, you hold this. Okay. I got it on. Oh my gosh. Okay. Oh, that's back. Okay, I think I got this now. I gotta watch out for my duck puppy. I should mention I've never been on a quad before. Who trusted me with this? Ah, vroom, vroom. Oh my God, this is a lot of fun. Okay, so now that I've had a lot of fun, I want to kind of go over a little bit of the specs of this Polaris. So this is a 570 Sportsman Trail Polaris, 2023 model, which is funny because I'm a 1995 model, if you understand what I'm saying. What I love about this is it can do 4-wheel drive, 2-wheel drive, as well as it's got heated grips, and I have really tiny hands that are always so cold, so it's gonna be so nice in the winter to have heated grips as I vroom vroom. It's also got some high beams on it. You can't see it because it's not nighttime. There's also available storage underneath here as well as here, so I'm gonna show you guys. Oh, and that one off. You can put some storage in here. Maybe some snacks for the road in this pink princess mobile. Honestly, I feel like a rebel princess in this. This is phenomenal. Woo! Now, I'm gonna start this bad girl back up. Thanks so much for hanging with Misty today, and if you need me, I will be far up in the forest.